Genetics is the branch of biology that deals with the study of inheritance and variation in living organisms. It focuses on understanding how traits are passed from one generation to another and how they are expressed in individual organisms. The fundamental unit of heredity is the gene, which is a specific sequence of DNA deoxyribonucleic acid that codes for a particular trait. Genes are located on chromosomes, which are thread-like structures found inside the nucleus of cells. Humans have 46 chromosomes with 23 pairs, where one chromosome of each pair is inherited from each parent. Genetic information is encoded in the DNA molecule. DNA is made up of 4 nitrogenous bases: adenine, thymine T, cytosine C, and guanine G. These bases pair with each other with T and C with G, forming the double helix structure of DNA. The specific order of these bases along the DNA molecule forms the genetic code. The process by which genetic information is transmitted from parent to offspring is called meiosis and fertilization. Meiosis occurs in specialized cells called germ cells, which produce gametes, sperm, and eggs with half the number of chromosomes as the parent cell. During fertilization, a sperm cell and an egg cell combine to create a zygote, which contains a full set of chromosomes. This zygote will then divide and develop into a new organism. In addition to inherited genes, individuals also have traits that are influenced by their environment. These traits are called phenotypes and are a result of the interaction between genetic factors and external factors like diet, lifestyle, and exposure to toxins. Genetic variation arises due to several mechanisms, including mutations, genetic recombination, and genetic drift. Mutations are changes in the DNA sequence, which can occur spontaneously or be induced by external factors. They can result in genetic variations that may be harmful, neutral, or beneficial to an organism's survival. Geneticists use various techniques and tools to study genetics, such as DNA sequencing, polymerase chain reaction (PCR), genetic mapping, and genome editing technologies like CRISPR-Cas9. These methods allow scientists to identify and analyze specific genes, understand their functions, and investigate how they relate to specific traits or diseases. Genetics has immense implications in various fields, including medicine, agriculture, and forensic science. In medicine, genetic studies help in understanding the causes of genetic disorders, developing therapies, and predicting an individual's risk of developing certain diseases. In agriculture, genetics aids in breeding programs to improve crop yields and develop disease-resistant varieties. In forensic science, DNA analysis is used to identify individuals and establish relationships between them. Overall, genetics provides insights into the complex mechanisms underlying inheritance and variation, helping us understand the diversity of life on Earth.